Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to see how we can install Spark in your local system. So let's get started. For installation of Spark we need three applications. One is something like Spark zip file, Spark tar we will be getting from the Spark website, and the second is Java JDK 8, or you can say 11 also if you want to, and the other one is something like utils, which is winutils, Hadoop. To run the Spark with the support with the Hadoop, we need Hadoop zip also. That will be that I'll be linking those all GitHub links into the description. You can download from there. So let's start with the first thing, which is Spark itself. Open a Chrome and go to Spark, just Spark download or something. It is Spark download. If you go and then you'll get something like download Apache Spark here. So we are in this Spark download .html, where we have this current version which is running when I created this video, which is 3.5.0 with the Hadoop 3. Okay, just click on to the link. Download is not starting automatically. You can just click on this this link here. It will start downloading. So we'll wait for a while. It's something like 382 MB. It will take some time. Meanwhile, let it download. I'll go to downloading Java JDK 8. Java JDK 8. Just type Java JDK 8, and you'll come to the Oracle website. Then scroll down to Java JDK, which is something like development kit. 8U202 is something 8 Java JDK 8. Okay. So scroll down to your product, which is something Windows. Right, 64. If you have 32-bit, you can go to this 86. Mine is 64. Just click on this, and then checkbox this license and terms and conditions. Go to download page. It will take you to the sign in page. If you have already created an account, it's okay. It's good. If you haven't created an account, just go and create it down the account. It's simple. It won't ask any huge things. Just you have to give your name, email address, and passwords. I have already done it because I usually use it, right? So I'll quickly fill my credentials, and I'll come back to you. Okay, once you fill this, you'll get you'll start the Java JDK will start downloading. Yeah. So it's downloaded. It took a little while. I restarted my router. There was something like network issue. I don't know. So let's go to the Spark first and extract this to Spark Hadoop. If you have a RAR installed, that will be easy. Otherwise, you can use zip as well. So let's go inside this. It's still extracting. So let it extract. Yeah, once it is done, just Control A. Copy, go to Windows C, create a folder called as Spark. Inside this, paste it. Okay. So once this is done, we have to add some three variables. Yep, this is done now. Just copy this path, variables. Just type var. You'll get something edit system environment variables. Okay. So just click on that. So first of all, we have to go to advanced environment variables. First of all, we have to add a new called as Spark home. Okay, underscore home. The path will be just Spark. Okay, C Spark, and then go to path. Just add a /bin there. Okay, for path. Oh, that is done. One thing is okay, and then another thing is we need a Java. Okay, before going to Java, let's go and just type Spark -shell now. So it should say about something like Java home, right? We don't have Java home path specified. So because we don't have a Java, just go to this again, right click and run as administrator. Then so just type next. I need development tools itself next. Okay, Next, it will install. Okay, if you have IntelliJ idea, right, you can install Java JDK there itself, I believe. Yes, we can try that as well, but it's okay. If you have Java inside your system, it will be easy to run Maven as well. Maven, we need Maven to package our Java, Scala, all the codes, whatever the Spark we usually run. So in the above coming tutorials, we all will be learning about Spark, Scala Spark, and then PySpark with Python. So let's close this. Once this is done, reopen your CMD. Now type Spark -shell. This should initialize the Spark, and we are good to go. So it says okay, so this is one error we'll be getting. Okay, and I'll copy this, paste it as a notepad. I'll create a new video on that. Otherwise, allow access, just give an allow access. Okay, so we will be getting this kind of error. It says something winutils, right? So this is something Hadoop error. Okay, so yeah, we have got the Spark up and running with the Scala version 2.12.18. okay, using Scala version. With the Spark version is 3.5.0. Now I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to remove that error what we are getting above, right? Just Control C. What was the error? It says like van shell winutils.exe is not found. Okay, great. So what you have to do is winutils -master. Okay, just type like this. So you will get something or else wait, Hadoop winutils. Okay, master. So if you just code like this, if you type like this, right, Hadoop winutils masters, you'll go to this winutils GitHub. Just download zip here. Go to this winutils first. So go to this and then copy 8.3. Make sure you have winutils here. Okay, and then also this Hadoop, right? So these two are main things. And then go copy this bin. Go to your C, create a folder called Hadoop, paste the bin there. Okay, now open a variables, just type environment variable, and then you will get this system properties. Go to environment variables, create a new variable name, Hadoop, and Hadoop_home, then paste the path you haven't copied. Okay, so copy this home C/Hadoop, paste it there. Go to path, create a new one, /bin. Okay, so this is done. Now just again verify it by using Spark -shell. Okay, this should do. We have initialized the Spark as without any errors, so we have get rid of that error. What was that? It was something like saying not found the winutils.exe. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have liked this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, please comment down below. I'll help you on that. Thank you.